High scale guys, today we have aircraft scales with 4 load cells. So to calibrate these scales you should open the remote, and here we have calibration switch here. You should put it from run position to cal position. I already put it. Then you close it back and then turn on the scales remote. It shows you all 4 load cells, 1, 2, 3, and we don't see the first one. So we should go to the menu, display menu, press 1 and choose 5 scales. So we should press 2, pressing 2, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have only 4 here, so we don't need 5, that's why it's off. So I already test all the load cells. Two of them are good and 2 of them are bad. You should calibrate each on a time, yeah? So we go to the menu, calibration menu, which we have access now because we put calibration switch jumper in the cal position. So we press 4, and here we have grad size options, and we just need to calibrate scales. So we press 1 and it's asking about the scale, number of the scale which we want to calibrate. We will calibrate number 4. So we press 4 and the enter button. Now it's asking us about how many points you want to use. It can be from 1 till 10. It's 5000 capacity of the load cell, so I would like to calibrate it each 1000, so I will have 5. So each 1000 it will be 5 points of calibration. I press enter button. Remove all the weight from the scales and the capacity. Capacity at 5000, I don't want to change it, so I just press enter. And now it's asking us about the first weight, which we will put here on the load cell. So we will put about 1000. So we put here a little bit more. And now we put, by pressing the buttons, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1000 pounds. And now we are waiting when it will be here, 1000, and then we will press enter button. So we have 10, 20. It's going slow. 10. We will press and we press enter, and we have zeros here. So now we should put the second weight. It will be 2000. Oh, it's too much. This is not bad. Now we should it's very tough to get the same result, so it takes some time, so sorry about that guys if it's too long for you, but I'm doing it like in the real life. If you want, I can skip it and just show you at the end. So 2000. Then I put 3000. And I put here 3000. $320. Then we put enter button, so 310. $3,000. I put center button. Now I will put 4,000. And put here 4,000. For 20, 40 too much. Okay, 4,000. And we will press enter. Just need to wait until it shows 4. For 10, and I'm ready to push the button. And now we place the last point. It will be 5,000. So same here. Come on. 520. Now it's okay. I put 5,000 here and waiting when I will push the button. 510. $5,000. I press it and now I have 5,000 here. 498. 5 here. Discounting by 1. Discounting by 10. That's why this here is still 90. 90. So it's baying on. And that's all. Calibration is done. Now you should put that calibration jumper back at the run position. And that's all. Have fun, guys. And you should do it the same with each load cell which you need. I need just 2 to calibrate. So have fun. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Subscribe.